Symbol of Sneha Society, in collaboration with the All Bodo Students Union (ABSU), launched a cleaning drive program at Police Bazar, Shillong on August 31, 2022. The organization Sustainable Fashion, also known as Eco Fashion, is a movement that promotes changes to fashion products and the fashion system in order to achieve greater ecological integrity and social justice. Ms. Preeti Thapa, the founder of Symbol of Sneha Society, came up with the concept of sustainable fashion. The entire concept and motivation behind this idea is an approach to protecting the environment while also highlighting fashion. The SF brand believes in reducing, recycling, reusing, and upcycling fabrics that are frequently discarded as waste. Polyester, for example, takes nearly 200 to 300 years to decompose.
Focus this area today. We always do the street cleaning and all that, which we did, but this time we thought that I had to focus this area, so I spoke with the team and with the municipal and with the police station and Police Bazar Welfare Association, and they also helped us, and all together we cleaned whatever we could. So this is the area you can see, this is the part. We could do more this kind of thing in the future, and we want more helping hand in the future.
My name is Siddharth Boro, and today we are here in Shillong, and we had this social event, a charity event done by the Symbol of Sneha Society, and we were really happy and glad that the All Bodo Student Union from Shillong has joined us for this initiative, and with us we have the members of All Bodo Student Union. So guys,
today we got the golden opportunity. We as a All Bodo Student Union have been we got the opportunity to collaborate with SOS, where we clean the society. We got the beautiful opportunity to work and improve the society.
and it was a task, right? Like the cleaning entirely, all this thing, and all the people like we were involved over here. You know, like all these people, the only motive was to clean the society, keeping Shillong clean and green, and yeah, we're working for the betterment of the society. So the All Bodo Student Unions were here, and we were really happy and glad, along with the Shillong Municipal Board and also Police Bazar Society, Welfare Society. They were really kind enough, and so yeah, we are here and we have done the job for today, and we were really happy and glad that we could take this initiative to the next level. And thank you so much, guys, for helping us with the cause. It means a lot, and Jai Boro Harini.
Jai Boro Harini.
Jai Boro Harini.